For the supply chain distribution is like it's a little bit complicated because many different company has different rules. Like for us, we mainly try as much as we can. We just ask the customer first. Like when you have like many other consistent order, we ask you to buy some stock and then store in our warehouse in order to make fast shipping for you, because fast shipping also is really the key, because the customer cannot wait like more than 20 days, you know so they can get it on Amazon like on the same days or 2 days later. So you need to be like pragmatics, like when you have consistency like 100 order a day or more than that, even that, you can just buy some stock and then store in our warehouse. We'll do the same day shipping, like at least around 8 days to the US or to Europe. So that's the number one. Number two, we aim to buy the high quality product sourcing to different manufacturer. Usually when we buy the product, we just buy from one manufacturer. We just go and then check for like two or three manufacturers to compare the the product quality, and then see which one is the best one, and then we choose that one, because there are so many manufacturing in China, and then different price has like different manufacturer has different prices, so the price in China is based on the quality. So usually the cheapest one is not the good one. So sometimes our price is a little bit higher than others, but the service is not the same. So I think the supply chain, the e-com owners need to be much more careful about those things, those points. Yeah.